This is Swamina Institute of Technology, and our subject code is subject name is English, and subject code is 3110002 is the subject code. So let's start. Unit number 2, phonetics. phonetics उसके ये पॉइंट है नंबर 1 IPA इंटरनेशनल IPA इंटरनेशनल फोनेटिक अल्फ़ाबेट्स. इट इज़ ये एब्रीविएशन है. मैंने आपको फुल फॉर्म इंटरनेशनल फोनेटिक अल्फ़ाबेट्स. नेक्स्ट नंबर 2 ट्रांसक्रिप्शन. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2 ट्रांसक्रिप्शन. एंड नंबर 3 इंट्रोडक्शन टू डिफरेंट एसेंट्स. ये पॉइंट है फोनेटिक्स के. इंटरनेशनल फोनेटिक अल्फ़ाबेट्स, ट्रांसक्रिप्शन, इंट्रोडक्शन टू डिफरेंट एसेंट्स. ये है चैप्टर नंबर 2 फोनेटिक्स. Unit 2 phonetics. Introduction. For communicative purpose, a person learns various languages. Writing is not widely spread like the medium of speech. There are many reasons such as history of languages. Commonly, speech comes first because people use it first for spoken purpose rather than writing purpose. And learning of any language begins with speech, not with writing. In general, people tend to speak more than they write. So the people right now, they speak more rather than to write. Nowadays, modern technological devices like telephone, radio, television and tape recorder have been invented for the purpose of oral communication. So oral communication है तो वो टेलीविज़न है, रिकॉर्डर है, ये है मीडियम्स. Thus in modern world, need of effective communication through the medium of speech is being increased. The study of phonetics, which is a branch of linguistics, deals with its medium. It is an academic discipline that can help the students to gain oral proficiency in an international language like English. So in English, it is an international language, and students learn what do you mean by phonetics and which speech they have to develop day by day. Definition: all spoken words are collection of different sounds. Phonetics is the study of sounds of human speech. Phonetics is the sound of human speech. The term phonetics is derived from the Greek word phone. फोनेटिक्स वर्ड कहाँ से आया? इट इज़ डिराइव फ्रॉम द ग्रीक वर्ड फोन, मीन्स साउंड और वॉइस. उसके बाद ये वर्ड बना फोनेटिक्स. इट मीन्स साउंड और वॉइस. फोनेटिक्स इज अ ब्रांच ऑफ लिंग्विस्टिक्स दैट डील्स विद द साउंड्स ऑफ स्पीच इन देयर प्रोडक्शन, combination, description and representation by written symbols. Linguistics is a systematic study of language. Phonetics helps to learn correct pronunciation. Pronunciation is the way a word or a language is usually spoken, or the manner in which someone utters words of a language. Phoneme. What is the meaning of phoneme? So phoneme is any one of the set of smallest unit of speech in a language. Smallest units of speech in a language. It disciplines one word from another. Phoneme. To change one phoneme in a particular word can produce produce another word. For example, changing the first phoneme in the word cat, 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 can produce a word with a very different meaning, such as rat. A phoneme is represented between slashes. फोनीम वो हमेशा स्लैशिश से ही आपको फोनीम्स लिखना पड़ता है, जैसे बी, यहाँ पर के, एस एट्सेट्रा बाय कन्वर्जेशंस. हाउ टू डिफ्रेंशिएट साउंड्स फ्रॉम लेटर्स. लाइक के यहाँ पर लेटर है और के है यहाँ पर साउंड है. सी फॉर कैट, उसमें बोला जाता है कैट, बट द स्पेलिंग इज CAT, नॉट KAT, कैट. Classification of sounds, oral and nasal sounds. Sounds are produced by the speech organ by forcing the air stream out of the lungs either through the mouth or the nose. All sounds are either oral or nasal. In oral sound, the air is released through the mouth. Oral में क्या होगा? Air is released through mouth. And in the nasal, the air is released either fully or partially through the nose. For example, oral sound में oral sound on, k, k and h. nasal sounds है ng, ये है सिंबल ng का, m, n, ऐसे. Voiced, unvoiced. All sounds produced with a vibration of the vocal cords are called voiced sounds. Vocal cords से जो words बोले जाते हैं, it is called voiced sounds. For example, vowels, diphthongs. It means combination of two vowel sounds or vowel letters. It is called diphthong. Two vowel sound, नहीं के letters. And consonants such as B, D, M are voiced sounds. In the production of unvoiced sounds like S, P, T, K, S, etc., the vocal cords do not vibrate and the air passes through the wide open glottis. The vibration can be felt by putting the palm of the hand on the Adam's apple. There are total 9 unvoiced sounds. 9 unvoiced sounds: P, K, T, S, F, H. It is called sh, theta, and यह है sh. Vowels. Look at here. Voiced and unvoiced sounds. Sounds are also classified as vowels and consonants on the basis of manner and places of production. In English, all the vowels are oral and voiced. Vowels are oral and voiced. Among the consonants, only 3 are nasal: M, N and NG. Sing. NG आया यानी sing, ये सिंबल है NG का. Several oral consonants are unvoiced. There are 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonant sounds in English. Vowels and consonants. Vowels. During the production of vowel sound, as the air from the lungs comes out in an unrestricted manner in some far continuous stream, there is no closure of the air passage or friction between any speech organs also. In English, out of 26 alphabets, English के total alphabets are 26 dear all. There are 5 vowels, A, E, I, O, U, that you know, and 5 vowels which have 20 sounds. 5 vowels, it represents 20 sounds. These 20 vowel sounds are further classified as pure vowels. Pure vowels का दूसरा नाम है monophthong. मोनो फ, PH का मीनिंग यहाँ फ होगा. थॉन्ग्स, मोनोफ्थॉन्ग्स एंड डिफथॉन्ग्स. 5 वॉवल्स डिवाइडेड इनटू 20 साउंड्स. 20 साउंड्स अब कैसे हम डिवाइड करेंगे? 20 साउंड्स में 20 वॉवल साउंड्स है, उसमें है मोनोफ्थॉन्ग एंड डिफथॉन्ग्स. मोनोफ्थॉन्ग 12 मोनोफ्थॉन्ग्स है, 20 में से 12 मोनोफ्थॉन्ग, बाकी रहे 8 इज डिफथॉन्ग्स. 12 monophthongs, 8 diphthongs is equal 20 vowel sounds. Monophthongs, a pure vowel is called as monophthong. A pure vowel is a single sound marked by its steady quality. During the production of a pure vowel, its quality does not change. Look at here IPA symbol, International Phonetic Alphabet symbols and words. सिंपल है. अवे, अराउंड, तो अ इस तरह से लिखे जाते हैं. बट कट, बट कट, तो ये है आपको बीच में लिखने का, बट कट. नेक्स्ट गर्ल बर्न, गर्ल बर्न, तो इस तरह से आपको लिखना है, गर्ल बर्न. नेक्स्ट बास्कर बा, आया, इसलिए आस्क, आ ए डॉट डॉट. नेक्स्ट ई और टी, बैट, ए आया इसलिए बैट, बेड, मैन. ए कब आएगा? बैट, बेड, बेड, आई एम गोइंग टू स्लीप ऑन द बेड, मैन. आई बिट, बीड. आई डॉट डॉट कब आएगा? जब ई ए बीच में होना चाहिए. बीट, बीड. यू तो पूल, पुट. ये सिंबल कब आएगा? पूल, रूट, हुड. लुक एट हियर द सिंबल, कॉट, बॉक्स, ऑक्स. कॉट, तो that you know how to write cot and board. This is called monophthongs. Diphthongs, in the production of diphthongs, one sound position relates to another, is a result of which the quality of the vowel changes. For example, I dot dot is a pure vowel as in feet, whereas al is a diphthong as in fight. I इसलिए EI तो डे, अफ्रेड, जुलाई, डिसाइड, बाय, तो ये सिंबल आएगा इसका IPA सिंबल. बॉय, वॉइस, एंजॉय, तो ये सिंबल है. गो, सो, ग्लॉट, गोस्ट, सॉरी, तो ये है ये सिंबल. टाउन, माउंटेन, तो ये सिंबल है. हियर, हियर, अपीयर, ये सिंबल है. श्योर, क्योर, जनवरी, ये सिंबल है. हैर, वियर, केयर, इससे ये सिंबल है. नाउ कॉन्सोनेंट्स, व्हाइल प्रोनाउंसिंग कॉन्सोनेंट्स, द पैसेज इज आइदर completely और partially closed and the air passes through the speech organs with an audible friction. In English, there are 21 consonants which have 24 sounds. 21 consonants have 24 sounds. 12 voiced and oral, and 3 voiced and nasal, and 9 unvoiced and oral. A list of consonant sounds with example. ये है consonant sounds. ये वर्ड है और ये डिस्क्रिप्शन है. कौन सा अनवॉइस्ड है, कौन सा वॉइस्ड है, कौन सा नेजल है, लाइक दैट. बट यू मस्ट बी अवेयर ऑफ IPA सिंबल. किंग, कार कैसे लिखते हैं? गेम, जोग, इस तरह से लिखते हैं. चिंग, मार्च, लुक एट हियर, CH का सिंबल है. TN इंटीग्रेशन, DN3 तो जज. जू, जेब्रा, तो Z. शीट, टैटू। तो ट, ओनली ट, ये तो ये सिंबल आपको देखना है, ये कंजक्शंस है, ये कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड्स है। ब, ये जो IP सिंबल है, ये सभी ब्रिंग, विजन, बैट, सन, यू मस्ट हैव टू गो थ्रू इट. If T comes at the end of a word or before a consonant, it doesn't pronounce. In spelling, where V comes, then use sound V, and where W comes, then use sound W. As stream mechanisms, speech sounds are produced with the help of an stream. The term stream refers to the movement of air as it is pushed up from the lungs during the process of speech production. The respiratory system includes the lungs, the muscles of the chest, and windpipe. There are three main airstream mechanisms. There are pulmonic, glottalic, and velaric. Pulmonic, the airstream begins at the lungs, which act as the initiators in pushing air out or in drawing air. The pulmonic aggressive airstream mechanism is mostly used in spoken language all over the world. Glottalic, the closed glottis works as the initiator, and the air moves in or out of the pharynx. The sounds produced with an ingressive glottis airstream are called implosive, and those produced with an aggressive and glottic airstream are called adjective. Velaric, the airstream has the back of the tongue as the initiator, and the air in the mouth is set in motion to produce certain skull-like sounds using only the velaric ingressive airstreams. Now we are going to discuss about the most important organs of speech. In preceding section helped to know that an airstream mechanism is needed to produce speech sounds, and most of the sounds are produced with a pulmonic aggressive airstream in all over the world. When a person breathes out air from the lungs, various organs in the vocal tract control or modify the airstream to convert it into speech sounds. These organs are called the vocal organs or the organs of speech. The organs of speech can be classified into the following three groups: the respiratory system consisting of the lungs, the muscles of the chest, and the windpipe or trachea; the phonatory system comprising the larynx in the throat; the articulatory system consisting of the nose, teeth, tongue, root of the mouth, and the lips. These are the organs of speech. Functions of organs of speech. So speech organ belong to articulatory systems. Number 1, lips. So lips include upper lip and lower lip. They help to create different sounds, mainly the bilabial sound. For example, P, B, M, and W. Labiodental sounds, consonant sounds, for example, F and V, rounded to produce the lip shape for vowels like U, and thus create an important part of speech. Teeth, the small wedge structure found in jaws in front of mouth. Teeth come immediately after lips. They mainly help to create the labiodental sounds. Tongue touching the front teeth, for example, F and V, and others like theta, Alveolar ridge. Alveolar is generally hard ridge behind the upper front teeth. It is located between the roof of the mouth and the upper teeth. You can feel its shape with your tongue. Its surface is rough and is covered with little ridges. To produce sound, as air from the lungs passes continuously through the mouth, but the tongue is raised sufficiently close to the alveolar ridge to cause function, as it partially blocks the air that passes. Hard palate. Hard palate is a thin horizontal bony plate of skull placed in the roof of the mouth. It is generally known as the roof of the mouth. Its smooth and surface can be filled with the tongue. The reciprocal use between the tongue and hard palate is essential in the formation of certain speech sounds like t, d, and z for j. Soft palate. The soft palate yani velum allows air to pass through the nose and through the mouth. Usually while speaking, it is raised so that air cannot escape through the nose. This function separates the nasal cavity from the oral cavity in order to produce the oral speech sounds. If this separation remains incomplete, air escapes through the nose during speech and the speech sounds like hypernasal. When person produces the sounds K and G, the tongue comes in contact with the lower side of the velum. It is considered as velar consonants. Uvula. The full name of hanging ball is the palatine uvula. Refers its location and soft palate. It functions in order with the back of the throat, the palate, and the air coming up from the lungs to create a number of harsh and throaty sounds and other sounds. Glottis. The combination of vocal folds and space in between the fold is known as glottis. The vocal folds vibrate. As a result, vibration produces buzzing quality to the speech, which is called voice or pronunciation. Glottis is called glottal. Example is the sound H. Tongue. The tongue is very important. Articulation can be moved into many different places and different shapes. Its movement in oral cavity plays important role in production of almost every speech sound. Generally, it is divided into different parts: tap, blade, front, back and roof. ये हैं टंग के parts. Apart from the articulated organs, the organs of body also plays a crucial role. The lung. The function of the above mentioned body parts helps to produce speech sounds where speech requires some part of air source. A person produces a majority of speech sounds by forcing air upwards from the lungs. Next, the larynx yani voice box. The larynx is generally known as the voice box or the Adam's apple. It plays crucial role in the production and differentiation of speech sound. The larynx is situated exactly at the point where the throat is divided between the trachea यानी कि the windpipe which leads to the lungs. The esophagus यानी the tube that carries food or drink to the stomach. So ये है हमारा nasal cavity, teeth ridge, hard palate, soft palate, lips, teeth, tip, tongue, back, front, vocal cords, windpipe, food pipe, larynx. These are organs of speech. Now we are going to discuss place of articulation. The section of the articulating system, it is mentioned briefly that the air stream through the vocal tract must be blocked in some way for sounds production. The sound which is produced with some forms of obstructions are called consonants. So, consonants can be classified according to the place and manner of such observations. Bilabial यानी two lips, utter lips such as pill, bill, mill, like that, and note how the the lips come together for the first sound in each of three words. Labiodental यानी lower lip and upper front tip. When person pronounce the words like few or view, the lower lip is raised to touch the upper front teeth. Dental यानी tongue tip and blade and upper front teeth. Say the words thigh, they. The tip of the tongue can either be below the upper front teeth or close behind the upper front teeth. Alveolar, it means tongue tip or blade and the alveolar ridge. In words such as lie, die, lie, no, so, lu, the tip or blade of the tongue comes in contact with the alveolar ridge. Retroflex, tip of the tongue and the back of the alveolar ridge. Retroflex sounds are not very common in English, but speakers of English who pronounce R at the end of the word such as awa, and flare, many have retroflex articulation. Some speakers use retroflex sounds at the beginning of words such as rai, ro, re. Palato-alveolar, tongue, blade and the back of the alveolar teeth. When person utters words sky, she, show, the tip of the tongue may be down behind the lower front teeth, and the blade of the tongue is normally close to the back part of the alveolar ridge. Palatal, front of the tongue and the hard palate. If you pronounce words such as new, view, you can feel the front of the tongue raised towards the hard palate. In the palatal sounds after K as in Q, however, the contact point may be between the hard palate and soft palate. Velar, the final consonant sound such as in back, bag, bang have the furthest back place of articulation in English. In all these sounds, the back of the tongue is raised to touch the soft palate. Glottis, glottal, the consonants H in the high how is an example of glottal articulation. It is produced by the air coming through a partially closed glottis. Manner of articulation, there are many ways in which articulators block flow of air through the vocal tract. The articulators may completely close the oral tract of an instant or a relatively long period. Consonants can be divided according to the manner of articulation as below. Plosive and affricate. Plosive यानी इंग्लिश में प, बी, ट, ड, के एंड जी. Affricate यानी च एंड ज, ये है सिंबल. Nasal, there is the complete closure of the air passage in the mouth. The soft palate is lowered and the air escapes through the nose. English in M, N and NG जैसे सिंग ऐसे वर्ड आते हैं तब ये सिंबल है. रोल, तो देर आर नंबर ऑफ रैपिड taps made by a flexible organs against a firmer surface. Flop, so there is only one tap. For example, English R in very. literal, all some point on the mouth. There is a closer in the middle, but the air escapes through the sides. Fricative, so there is narrow passage for the air between two organs. Frictionless continuant, there is no closer or friction, but the sound has a consonant function. Semi-vowel, a vowel lead with a consonant function. GNW, IPA International Phonetic Alphabet. Since there are standard sounds in English, they are put together with the standard symbols. These symbols are called International Phonetic Alphabet symbols, in short form IPA. So using standard symbols for standard sounds is known as transcription. Standard symbols for standard sounds is known as transcription. It will help to learn how to transcribe words. Transcription is here. This is IPA symbols. This is original word and this is the transcription. वो स्लैशेस करके आपको ये ऐड करना है इसमें. ये वर्ड पढ़ के बैड, बीड, बीच, बेड, बैड, बर्ड, बिचर, अबव, आस्क. सो IPA सिंबल आपको ये वर्ड में किस तरह से, तो बी आया, ई आए बीच में, जब ई ए ये सिंबल है ई का, आई डॉट डॉट लाइक दैट. बिट तो कैपिटल आई बीच में, बी डी तो ई लाइक दैट. And these are the all the phonetic transcriptions, original words, and ये है how to use in transcription words. consonants IPA symbols है, ये word है, ये phonetic transcriptions है. okay, how to use original words में IPA symbol को phonetic transcription कैसे use हम करते हैं. can, तो can में C आता है तो बन गया K. ए आए ए तो ये सिंबल ए का है, ए और न. Thank you very much, dear all.